Hey folks, I'm Anand and welcome to MaverickEduCor, your one-stop solution for everything related to PTE. We at MaverickEduCor are committed to impart the best of strategies, proven tips and tricks, and valuable insights to ace your PTE exam. Don't hesitate to contact us on our WhatsApp number or on the email ID mentioned below for paid assistance. We will be more than happy to help you. Now, without a further ado, let's look at today's class. In today's class, let's see more details about highlight incorrect words. It is one of the last questions in your exam, that too especially in your listening module. It comes just before your write from dictation. Now, having said this, you would need two skills to score maximum amount of easy marks for this particular question. First and foremost being good listening skills and fast reading skills. If you have these two skills, then be rest assured that you can score maximum amount of marks for this question. Moving ahead, let's understand what needs to be done at a very basic level for your highlight incorrect words. PTE says that you need to listen to an audio and select the words that differ from the displayed transcript. In simple words, a transcript would be displayed on your screen. Additionally, they will be reading the transcript in the form of an audio. In this audio, while you're listening, there will be words that differ from the displayed transcript. You will have to identify those words and select them. For how many questions you would have to do that? For about 2 to 3 such questions in your exam. Next, what is the length of the audio? The audio length would be anywhere between 40 to 60 seconds. And the overall time that you can consume is the overall length of the audio itself. Once the audio completes, by then you would have selected those incorrect words or the words that differ from the actual transcript. Go ahead and click next for your next question. That is what you need to do in terms of overall time consumption. Let's look at a representational image of your highlight incorrect words question. As mentioned earlier, the transcript is displayed in the form of a paragraph. The audio player will read the same transcript, but there will be some word that will differ in the audio. Say something like, instead of earth, they will say Mars. Or instead of rock, they may say shock. Or instead of drinking, they may say climbing. Instead of, pumping, they may say dumping. 4 to 5 such words will differ from the actual audio. You need to identify those words that are incorrect and select them. Once you complete selecting all the words, go ahead and click next for the next question type in your exam. Moving ahead, let's see what are the skills that are assessed by PTE. PTE says that we will assess your listening and reading skills for your highlight incorrect words. I had mentioned this in the starting of the video itself that you need to possess good listening skills and fast reading skills. These two skills will fetch you maximum amount of easy marks, especially for this question. Next, approximately how many marks would you get? You would get about 6 to 8 marks for listening and reading respectively. So both these modules, you will get marks because this is an integrated task. Remember this. But this comes with a small catch. Now, let me explain you the catch for highlight incorrect words. Pay attention because this particular question has negative marking. If you select incorrect response, you will get -1 mark. Each correct response can fetch you approximately 1 mark. And the minimum score can be 0 as well. Let me explain you with 3 simple scenarios. Consider you have 5 options or 5 words that needs to be selected. In the first scenario, you select all the 5 responses correctly. In this case, you would get approximately about 4 to 5 marks for that particular question. In the second scenario, you have selected 3 correct responses and you have done 2 mistakes. In this case, you will just end up getting 1 mark because 3 correct responses and 2 mistakes will yield you just 1 mark because you have negative markings for this question. In the third scenario, what if you select or if you make 5 mistakes overall? Then you will not end up getting negative marks. You will just end up getting a big 0 for this particular question. Now, you can score easily 6 to 8 marks by having good listening skills and fast reading skills. let's look at the golden rules for your highlight incorrect words question. First and foremost, let's discuss the do's. Now, keep moving the cursor with the audio and be ready to highlight the incorrect words. While you're listening to the audio, okay, keep moving your cursor like this, okay? You will be ready to highlight that particular word easily, okay? Next, words with similar pronunciation could be the incorrect word. This is the clue over here, folks. What are similar sounding words? It is nothing but homonyms. For example, something like new, new, lesson, lesson. They may sound similar, but what is the difference between them? It is K-N-E-W versus N-E-W. L-E-S-S-E-N versus L-E-S-S-O-N. Now you see, 4 words are completely different with different meanings, though they sound the same way. Okay, this could be your first clue. Second clue could be something like, singular or plural words or past tense or present tense words. Something like accept, accepted, accepts. Okay, there is singular, plural, and past tense as well. So it could be something like this. Or for example, fly, flew, flies, or flying as well. So they can give in any form. You would have to identify that incorrect word while you're listening to the audio. Last but not the least, the words you select will be highlighted in yellow. Whatever word you select will be highlighted in yellow to indicate that this is the word that you have marked. Now let's look at the don'ts for your highlight incorrect words question. Never take off your eyes off the screen while listening to the audio, meaning don't look at what somebody else is doing. Don't keep dreaming. You need to move your cursor along the audio and be ready to click that incorrect word. Next, if you are unsure, do not select the word as this question has negative markings. I had explained you 3 scenarios correct. You may end up getting 0 as well. This is an easy question, folks. You can capture 6 to 8 marks for your listening and reading module. So make sure to grab all of those marks. Next, do not consume any time after the audio has stopped playing. Practically, it is impossible to recollect whatever was said in the audio and then go and select the words that were incorrect. Additionally, this will lead to a lot of time crunch. What if there is a time crunch? You will have less amount of time to even attempt your write from dictation question. Write from dictation question has a lot of marks to give away. Make sure to capture more marks in write from dictation rather than making mistakes here in this particular question. Last but not the least, never double click while selecting your response. What could be the scenario over here? If you double click, it will select and unselect that particular word. PTE will think that you haven't selected any response at all. A lot of people are making this mistake. So avoid doing this mistake. Just click once on that particular word. So these are the golden rules for your highlight incorrect words question. Alright folks, now let's look at an example for your highlight incorrect words question. Here the transcript is already displayed and I will be playing the audio. While listening to the audio, I will try to highlight those incorrect words. Now, I will try to comply with all the do's and don'ts that I had just told some moments ago. Without a further ado, let's start playing the audio.
War between countries can have profound socioeconomic impacts that ripple through societies for generations. Economically, conflict often leads to destruction of infrastructure, reduced productivity, and increased national debt, hindering growth and development. Socially, wars displace populations, leading to refugee crises and strained resources in host countries. Communities face increased poverty, unemployment, and mental health issues as families cope with loss and trauma. Additionally, the diversion of funds from social services to military spending can exacerbate inequality, leaving vulnerable populations even more marginalized.
Now let's evaluate my responses. I remember this particular word I was confused while listening to the audio also. I did not select it because I was not sure whether it was crises or Christ while I was fast reading the transcript. Whereas other 4 responses were absolutely correct. I would end up getting approximately about 4 marks for listening and reading both these modules. In case I had highlighted some other word instead of this particular word, I would have ended up getting 1 mark as negative. Overall, the result would be just 3 marks instead of 4 over here. So to avoid all of this, just select the word that you are very sure of. You will get maximum amount of marks. So this is how you need to approach your highlight incorrect words question in the exam. Fine folks, we have come to the end of this video. If you have any queries related to PTE, don't hesitate to contact us on a WhatsApp number or on the email ID mentioned below for paid assistance. As a token of support and encouragement, make sure to subscribe to MaverickEduCor for more such engaging content. I'm wishing you all the very best for your exams. Do well. Thank you, folks.